BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Okay, so we're looking at two Philips automatic espresso machines, both renewed, right? The EP 5447/94 and the EP 4447/90.
Yeah, both with that LatteGo milk system, which I hear is super easy to clean. I hate fiddling with Milk Frothers.
Exactly. And both make 12 different coffee drinks. But the 4400 series, the EP 4447/90, specifically mentions it makes iced coffee too. That's a pretty big plus if you like cold brew.
True, that is nice. What about the grinders? I know that can make or break an espresso machine.
Both use 100% ceramic grinders, which is good. They're durable and precise. And both have 12 grind settings, so you can really fine-tune your coffee. The 5400 series, the EP 5447/94, boasts that it can make 20,000 cups with those grinders.
Wow, 20,000 cups? That's a lot of coffee. Any differences in the display or controls?
The 4400, EP 4447/90, has an intuitive color display which sounds a bit more modern. The 5400 series just says has an easy-to-use display, which is vague.
Color display does sound nicer. What about size? I don't have a ton of counter space.
The 5400 is 15 inches deep, 10 wide, and 17 high. The 4400 doesn't list its dimensions. It is worth considering.
Okay, and cleaning? Besides the LatteGo system, anything else stand out?
Both seem pretty straightforward. The 5400 highlights that the drip tray and coffee ground container are dishwasher safe. And with LatteGo being only 2 parts, it's said to be easy and quick to clean.
Good to know. So basically, the 4400 has a color display and makes iced coffee, while the 5400 has the 20,000 cup grinder lifespan claim and known dimensions?
Yeah, pretty much. The 5400, the EP 5447/94, also has a coffee customizer with an extra shot function. So if you like a really strong coffee, that might be a deciding factor. Both machines are priced around the same, so it really comes down to those smaller features. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.